Hey there, sunshine. Rottman here from Midwest Solar and Energy. Today, we are talking solar trends that will save your wallet and maybe your dignity. Stick around. This is going to hurt your utility company's feelings. Pull up a chair. We are diving into 2025 solar trends. And yeah, you in the back, squinting at your phone, that is just your roof potential, blinking for help. Before we start roasting your energy choices harder than a July sidewalk, smash that like button if you enjoy saving money. And subscribe if you want more content that is more useful than your brother-in-law stock tips. First up, artificial intelligence and data centers are gobbling up electricity like my Uncle Jerry at an all-you-can-eat buffet, and trust me, that is saying something. The grid is sweating more than a telemarketer in a room full of caller identification display. That is why solar paired with fat, juicy energy storage. Think batteries thicker than your brother-in-law's excuses are huge this year. The grid is getting smarter, but apparently not smart enough to block your neighbor's Christmas lights from being visible from space. Speaking of smart, solar tech is advancing so fast, even my hairline cannot keep up. And folks, that is really saying something. Perovskite panels are lighter, cheaper, more efficient. It is like solar panels went to the gym and actually stuck with it. Thin film solar is more flexible than a yoga instructor. If yoga instructors powered your house instead of just posting about their green smoothies on Instagram, and solid-state batteries have no leaks, no drama, unlike your last 3 Tinder dates. These things are more reliable than your cousin showing up for Thanksgiving dinner. Energy storage is the hero we actually need, not the one wearing underwear over spandex. New battery systems are so reliable, you would trust them to watch your dog all weekend. Midwest Solar is on the cutting edge here, because we know your wallet is on the edge too. Power outage. Our backup systems kick in faster than your cousin moving back home after college. And before you ask, yes, we install these. No, we will not judge your electrical panel. Okay, we will judge it a little, but we will fix it too. Do not want panels on your palatial estate. That is realtor code for starter home. By the way, no problem, slacker. Community Solar lets everyone in. Even your neighbor who still thinks solar panels are a government conspiracy. You get energy bill credits and all the green bragging rights. No ladder required. It is like having a gym membership, but instead of pretending you will use it, you actually save money every month. 2025 is all about made in America, solar panels. Why? So we do not end up relying on foreign panels like we rely on our neighbor Gary to return our tools. Good for jobs, good for keeping things local, and good for reminding politicians to stop talking and start acting. Although let us be honest, that last one is a long shot. Speaking of politicians and money, Uncle Sam still wants you to go solar. Federal tax credits cover up to 30%. That is like getting a discount on your discount. You will want to act before Congress changes its mind faster than a teenager picking a Netflix show. Missouri and the Midwest have programs stacking up like bad puns at a celebrity roast. And trust me, I have got plenty more where those came from. But here's the thing. These incentives will not last forever. They are like a good parking spot at the mall during Christmas shopping, gone before you know it. So what is the punchline? Solar is not just a trend. It is the only thing rising faster than your utility bills. You care about saving money. I care about saving you from more time in the dark, emotionally, and electrically. You go solar in 2025. You are not just ahead. You are so far ahead, even your grandkids will have to squint to see your utility bills. Go with the pros at Midwest Solar and Energy. We'll judge your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, your insulation, your windows. Heck, we will judge your wallpaper if it saves you cash. We do not just slap solar on a roof and disappear like a cheap magician. Final thought, if you are still on the fence about solar in 2025, ask yourself, how much sun do you need before you stop acting like a mushroom? Get off your shade? Call us, and let us make your roof work harder than your cousin at the family barbecue. And remember, if you are still using incandescent bulbs in 2025, that is not vintage. That is just sad. This is Rottman, Midwest Solar and Energy. Sun is out, let's roll. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos where we roast energy waste harder than a Missouri summer. Links in the description, and yes, that includes our phone number. Use it.